First problem, using the identity a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square, expand the following. So we need to expand this given expressions. Okay, so let's start with the first one. So I'm going to start with the first one. In this you can see that it's in the form of a plus b whole square, which can be written as a square plus 2ab plus b square. So what is a here? A is 7x. So 7x whole square plus 2a. A is again 7x and b is 4y plus b is 4y whole square. So 7 square is 49, x square is x square plus 2 sevens are 14, 14 into 4, that is 56. Okay, so we can write 5 6, x into y is xy plus 4 square is 16 y square. So this is the answer for this. Next, second bit. In next second bit we are having 7 by 5 x plus 3 by 2 y, okay, whole square. So this is again in the form of a plus b whole square, which is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So what is a here? A is 7 by 5 x whole square plus 2 7 by 5 x into 3 by 2 y plus b is 3 by 2 y whole square. So 7 square is 49, 5 square is 25 and x square plus, here we can cancel this 2 and 2. 7 threes are 21 by 5 into xy plus 3 square is 9, 2 square is 4 and y square is y square. Okay, so these are the two bits. Now let's solve third bit. This is again in the form of a plus b whole square. What is our identity? A square plus 2ab plus b square. So a here is 2.5, b plus b is, let us write down 2a. A is 2.5, 2.5 into p and 1.5 q plus b is 1.5 q whole square. The square of 25 is 625, and because of this square we will get the decimal before two digits. B square plus 2 into 2.5 is 5, 5 into 15 is 75. If we write 75, okay, so that we are going to get decimal between these two digits. So q plus, sorry, pq plus 15 square is 225. Since there is a one digit after the decimal, so we will get two digits after the decimal for its square and q square. Okay, so this is the required expansion of this fourth bit. In the fourth bit we are having 3 by 4s plus 8t whole square. This is a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So a here is 3 by 4 s plus 2, a is 3 by 4 s, b is 8t plus 8t whole square. So 3 square is 9 by 4 square is 16 s square plus, here we can cancel 4 ones are 4 twos are, okay, 2 twos are 4, 4 threes are 12, so 12 st plus 8 square is 8 8s are 64 t square. Okay, so this is the last expansion, so we cannot do anything after this. Let's go to next one. In the next one you can see that this is again we are going to use the identity a plus b whole square, which is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So what is a here? X plus 2. A is x. B is 1 by 2y plus b is 1 by 2y whole square. So x square, 2 cancel, x ones are x by y plus 1 square, 2 square is 4 and y square. Sixth bit, 1 by x plus 1 by y whole square, which is equals to a plus b whole square, which is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So a here is 1 by x whole square plus 2a is 1 by x, b is 1 by y plus b is 1 by y whole square. So 1 square is 1, x square is x square plus 2 ones are 2 by x into y is xy plus 1 by y square.